So here are the ingredients for making the lemon meringue pie. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 4 egg yolks. We're gonna use the egg yolks first, and 1/2 cup of lemon juice, of course fresh lemon juice, and 2 1/4 cup of water. So that's what we're going to use in making our lemon meringue pie. Let's start. Cornstarch, sugar, salt, lemon zest, mix them first. Add the water. So what I do is, before I turn the heat on, I make sure that there is no cornstarch that is sticking at the bottom of the pan. There, so no more cornstarch there that is sticking at the bottom of the pan. Then now I'm gonna start my heat. So we're gonna cook it. So we will continuously whisk this mixture here. The mixture here in the pan. Continuously mix it until the bubbles comes out, and then still continue whisking until you get the consistency that you want for your pie. So there it is. That is the consistency that I am looking for my cornstarch. Then now I'm gonna add the egg. But first we're going to add a little bit here in our eggs here and mix it. Now we can add the eggs into our cornstarch here. So I will mix them first before I put it back in the heat or in the stove. Now we're going to put it back in this heat and cook it for a few minutes until the egg is cooked. Yung todo halo ka dahil akala mo mainit, yun pala hindi pala naka-on ang stove. Jeez. Kailangan kasi dito tuloy-tuloy ang paghalo. So halo ako ng halo, todo halo talaga ako dahil akala ko naka-on yung stove ko, yun pala na-off ko yung stove ko. Ayun. Sabi ko, ba't parang hindi nagbabago yung consistency nito? Yun pala walang init. So now that the egg is done or cooked, we're going to take it out of the heat. There. And then we will add the 3 tablespoons of butter. And again, stir it on our mixture. Next is we're going to add our 1/2 cup of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And of course, mix it well. So now our mixture is ready to be put on our okay. So there it is. Our lemon pie is ready for our meringue. So we will make the meringue later. So ganito ko niluluto yung aking meringue for the lemon meringue pie. First ay magagawa ako ng slurry using 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Tapos half cup of water. Yan, ganyan. Tapos ang ginagawa ko bago ko ilagay sa mainit yung aking lulutuin ay tunawin ko muna ng maigi yung cornstarch para hindi siya magbuo-buo. So tutunawin ko muna siya ng maigi bago ko start yung apoy. So ngayon, pagka nag-start na yung apoy mo, low heat lang at unti-unti mong lulutuin hanggang sa medyo lumapot lang siya. So itong ating mga ingredients for our meringue: 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract here, and then the 4 egg whites. Ayan yung egg whites ginawa nating pie kagabi. So ang ginamit natin doon yung egg yolks. So yung egg white naman ay gagamitin natin for the meringue. So ayan. Kapag nag-start nang magbubbles yung ating egg white, ihuhulog na natin yung ating sugar, salt, and the tartar. So, ngayon, ihuhulog na natin yung ating slurry at saka isasabay ko na rin yung vanilla extract. Okay, check natin. But I'm sure okay na to. Ayan. So, tikit na yan. Pwede na yan. So, yan. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa natin ng ating meringue. Oh, fluffy. Very fluffy. So, ilagay na natin yan dito sa ating lemon pie. So, ayan. Ito ay 4 na pirasong egg whites. Ganyang karami yung nagawa kong meringue. So, kapag maganda ang pagkakagawa mo ng meringue, na timingan mo talaga yung pagkakagawa mo ng meringue, ay maganda ang result. Ayan. So, marami siya. As in, mataas ang ating meringue. Ayan. Ito yung ginawa ko kagabi na lemon pie. Ayan. So, lalagyan natin ng meringue today at i-bake natin at or iinitin or lulutuin at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So, sa paggawa ng design nito, ay kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang arte rin. So, depende kung magaling ka sa paggawa ng mga cake. Ako ay walang alam dahil hindi pa ako, siguro minsan lang ako nag-bake talaga. Minsan lang. Pero itong meringue na to, itong meringue pie, maraming beses na ako nakagawa nito. So, minsan, palpak din. Minsan naman, perfect. Not really perfect, of course, but sarap, maganda. Yan. Maganda rin ang result minsan. Minsan naman ay palpak. So, siguro habang tumatagal na ikaw ay gumagawa, mai-improve mo din. So, ganyan-ganyan lang. At ilagay na natin yan sa oven. So, ayan, luto na ang ating lemon meringue pie. Kompleto na yan. of course, the pie crust that we made last night, and then the lemon pie, and now this morning I made the meringue. So there it is. Okay na, luto na ang ating lemon meringue pie, and it looks so good. So kakain tayo ng lemon meringue pie. Okay, there you go. I got it. There you go. Oh, looks like I didn't get some pie crust.